It's very important. Thank you so
But
much.
nowadays, people think, most of the people think that if they are physically fit, they means they are very much what we say,
Right.
ताकतवर,
बहुत सारे.
ताकतवर,
Mhm.
ताकतवर क्या बोलते हैं?
They are extremely strong.
Yes, they are extremely strong, so they think like that they are fully healthy. But
Yes.
they can be not. They cannot be healthy. mm, They cannot be mentally healthy.
Ha. Right. I understand. They cannot be mentally healthy. Anything else?
No, sir. That's it.
Is should I ask this question or not? Let me try. Is there a yardstick? Is there a criteria where we can find, okay, this is good health and this is bad health? For example, there are people who are very slim, very thin, but they are extremely active and very healthy. I have seen example of Bruce Lee. We have Raj Kohli. We have many other people. They are not very fat, but still they are very healthy. So we have, you are saying right, so we physical, mental, social, and it's a combination of all. So my question is that, is there a criteria to find out, okay, this person is healthy, oh, this person is not healthy, okay, this person is fat, he is not healthy? Today's science tells us even the person who looks not healthy, that person can be healthy. Don't look at the fat outside. Visceral fat is more harmful than subcutaneous fat. Subcutaneous fat is outside. So outside, just don't look at the physical appearance. So how do we understand, okay, the person is healthy or not? Any idea, Asma?
Well, sir. Mm,
Any medical test, particularly?
yes, that the people, sorry, the people who donate blood. So there is a checking